It was so glad look about to my channel, and today we're doing a challenge, just like yesterday, with this girl. Come on. And she's gonna be hiding fireworks, and I am gonna be trying to look for them. She's gonna be hiding them now. And if you guys do enjoy the video, like and sub, please, because we already got 2 subscribers. Yes, we do. We do got 2 subscribers. So yeah, here you go. Take your fireworks. I'm gonna go to the living room now. You could come now. Here's the bag. Thank you. Yay! Finally. Go up there. Tell me from how cold, okay? Okay. Cold, cold, cold. I'm just giving it to you. Let record me. Cold, cold. Hot, 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 hot. Cold, cold, cold. Hot, 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 hot. Like hot, hot, really hot, really hot, really hot, really hot. I found one, guys. Hot, hot. I found another one, guys. I found another one, guys. Hot, 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 really hot, like hot as steam, like hot, hot, hot. I found another one, guys. Hot, hot, like steaming hot. I found another one, guys. How much did I find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 3 more. That's 3 more. Tell me from how cold. Okay, you're. Oh! You just look. You just look there. Okay, guys, short intermission. Because I put some to because it's so close. Okay, tell me if I'm hot or cold.
Wait, is it the little one?
There's 5.
There's 5 more?
No, No, there's only 2 more.
2 more?
Yeah.
Wait, I actually forgot where they are.
Only from Power Cold.
You're cold.
Oh.
Hot, really hot, like steaming.
I found no one, guys. Hello. Hey, we got compost now.
Let me see how it is.
No, it's done.
Oh my god.
There's no compost now.
But first we need that here.
There's only 1 more.
Yeah, but that one is a little one.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not gonna tell you.
I'm not telling you from hardcore because I was eating hardcore yesterday.
You're hot, really hot, like steaming. You're hot and cold at the same time. You're hot, cold. Like hot and cold at the same time. Like hot and cold at the same time. Hot and cold at the same time. Cold, really cold. Hot. Cold and hot at the same time. Cold. Hot and cold at the same time. Hot and cold at the same time.
Just the hell.
Hot and cold at the same time. Hot and cold at the same time. Ow, Andrew. Andrew.
Move.
You're gonna make me slip. She's actually strong. Hot and cold at the same time. I'm gonna give you a hint. It's not in there, but somewhere where your water bottles are. Somewhere. But it's down though.
How does that fit here?
Look, I told you I was gonna hide it.
Did you put it inside of here?
No. Why would I? I don't want to see underwears.
What? This is my clothes, Gunny. Okay, tell me from her cold.
Hot. Put your hand in there.
Oh, I found it.
So, you looked right there, and now you can't?
I didn't look inside of there. Well, that's because I was looking somewhere else. I found it, guys. Found it.
She has complete the challenge.
Yay! I finally figured it out.
Why are you filming me?
She's like, why you bullying me?
Why are you filming me? Why are you filming me? I was just here for the video. Andrew, I'm just here for the video.
Well, okay, guys, that would be it for the video. Come on.
No.
That'll be it for the video, and like and sub if you like the video. So, yeah. Like and sub if you like the video, and what do I say? Well, and what do you say to the viewers, Genesis?
Hit the notification.
And what?
Subscribe.
And what?
Tape post.
No.
Like the video.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye. Peace.